In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can earn and redeem Microsoft Reward points here on your Xbox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point that this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Start by going up to your My Games and Apps section all the way up at the very top. Open it up and you need to go to the Apps section on the left-hand sidebar. So go to Apps, and once you're in Apps, go ahead and go to Microsoft Rewards and open it up. Once you're in, you're going to see your current points balance along with any rewards that you can claim right away. You can also scroll down on here and find different activities that you can complete in order to get even more rewards, and these are going to be simple tasks like playing games or interacting with content, and they can obviously help accumulate more over time. Oh, looks like I had an error with mine. Let me open that back up. But as soon as you collect some points, just head to the reward section, and then of course you can redeem stuff like gift cards, Game Pass subscriptions, and so much more. If you don't have enough points yet, obviously go ahead and set it as a goal to track your progress. But it really is as simple as that. As soon as you have enough points, select a reward, hit redeem, and you're good to go. You can also auto-redeem for certain rewards if you want them to be claimed automatically when you do reach the required points. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.